This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Launch number 1. Launch number 2. Launch number 3. Launch number 4. Yeah, I was using the fake sound. That was vivid flux. It's crazy. Okay, let's switch to silver waves then. We have 2 different sound schemes here. Oh, this one is more crazy. Back to vivid flux. Oh, wait. Okay, vivid flux. Oh shit. Alright, we're back. Let's take a look at the result in the Google Sheet. Okay, anyway, here you see EQS did it in around 4.2 seconds, slightly faster than spec. Huh? Very impressive. Considering that we have winter tires. See, it's faster than Model 3 launch. It's almost as fast as e-tron GT. That is amazing. Okay, let me just point out here. This is a heavy car. Well, actually, the e-tron GT is also heavy. Okay, never mind. But yeah, so a heavy car, but still goes like a rocket. And then as for noise, maybe that's the one you guys are looking for. Look here. 61 decibel compared to EQC in winter. I don't know, ooh, maybe I should have a column of when I did this test, but the EQS is just so quiet. It's unbelievable how quiet it is compared to the ES8 I tested recently. You see, you see big difference in noise here. The only thing I wonder is what the heck, what's up with this e-tron test I did a long time ago? Did I really measure 60 decibel? That one, this one, you actually see that these ones make kind of more sense, except for that measurement. But of course, because that measurement, it makes everything slightly higher, lower. I mean, too low. So I wonder. I need to test it again. This e-tron. This was done long time ago, and maybe my methods weren't that great. But you can also see one other thing here. Look at the tire dimension here. We have freaking fat tires, low-ish profile tires, and the noise level is on par with e-tron. So based on this, if we put on 20-inch, or maybe 19 would be a crime on the EQS, but at least if we put on 20-inch, we'll probably have way better result than e-tron. So my claim is that the EQS is by far the most quiet EV out there. Let me check something here. 63.59. all right, if you go to the summer result, wait, 63.50, wait, 63.59, yeah, 60, okay, yeah, but this is summer result. Summer tires are usually noisier, so of course the result we have now, the winter result, is by far the most quiet one. It beats summer result, and it should also beat e-tron, which is the second highest one. But man, okay, I'm not sitting in the EQS right now, I return it, but the EQS, man, it is so quiet. And not only does the quietness make it more premium. You get this better, you get this feel that it's just so nice and quiet in there. But when you listen to music, you can enjoy the music better. It was like a aha experience for me, because I could suddenly hear all the instruments, the bass, the instrument, all the details so much clearer than when we have lots of wind noise or road noise. So that's a nice bonus. But okay, I think that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.